How to fix WhatsApp voice message not sending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message not sending on Android phone. First go to settings and then go to apps and then click apps again, and here we'll find here you need to find WhatsApp. Here you can find all your installed apps. Just type here WhatsApp and click on it. Now first click here force stop, this one, click on it and force stop, and now go to storage. Then clear cache, and now cache have been cleared. Then just go to permissions and scroll down, and here we'll find this one here, storage. Click on it and you will find it like that. Click on storage and then click allow, and microphone also, just you will find it like that. Click on it and allow it, allow all of those here, all of those, phone, storage, microphone, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.